Copenhagen. Canals that glow at golden hour. And you're stuck in a group of 20, straining to hear a single word. Rushed past The Little Mermaid. Rushed past Christiania. A guide keeping 20 strangers moving with no time to actually look. Uvamai's Copenhagen self-guided audio tour puts 18 of the city's richest stories directly in your hands. Just an access link sent straight to your inbox. Press play and wander at your own rhythm. No group, no rigid schedule, no rushing. Stand before the mythic power of the Gifhjon fountain. Climb the counterclockwise spiral of Our Savior's Church. Find the quiet resilience of the Little Mermaid at the harbor's edge. 18 stops. One unforgettable walk through Denmark's capital. Travelers from around the world have chosen Uvamai because they wanted to actually understand Copenhagen, not just photograph it. Your Copenhagen story is one link away. $6. 6 days of access. Explore Copenhagen your way.